Singapore delivery worker, 27, discovers wife's affair, finds out youngest son not fathered by him. I like how Mothership just reports Shin Min now. She wants the whole flat. She wants the kids. She wants alimony. She's the one who cheated. FKing wow. Wow damn. Fuck this wife seriously. I seriously hope she gets what she deserves. Read through the other story. If it's true, it's very depressing for the man. 6 days a week, 14 hours of work. And gave almost all of his salary to his wife whom he trusts so much. And got betrayed so badly. Fuck this woman. Feel really bad for the guy.